Mike Landry here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can run a one-sample Wilcoxon sign rank test in SPSS. If you recall from prior discussions, we use a single sample t-test when we have a known mean and we want to compare that known mean to the mean of our group. If we don't have scale data, or if we don't have scale data that's in the normal distribution, we would use this test because it's the non-parametric equivalent of the single sample t-test. So this again is how we run the one sample Wilcoxon sign rank test. My variable of interest is the BMI group. On this data set we had BMI. We converted BMI to the name for that group, so this is ordinal data. So in this coding, 0 was somebody who's underweight, 1 was normal weight, 2 is overweight, 3 is obese, and 4 is morbidly obese. So to run the one sample Wilcoxon sign rank test, I'll first choose Analyze from the top toolbar. It is a non-parametric test, so I'll come down to this selection, and it's one sample that I'm comparing to a known median, so I'll click the one sample test. When you first do this, you'll want to select the Fields tab. You might find that all of the variables are in this test field window. And so what you do is you simply select all of them, move them back to the other side, to the left side with the arrow. And then what I had done was then I moved the BMI group back with the same arrow. So that's my test field. That's my variable of interest. I next select Settings. The default setting will be automatically choose the test. We want to customize test, and we want to make sure that this box is checked because we want to compare the median to a hypothesized median. I don't know the actual value of this, but I thought maybe the average, not the average, the median for the population is a 2, meaning that the median is overweight. So I chose that. And once I have this in my hypothesized median, my known median, I select Run. And I get the SPSS output for the one sample Wilcoxon sign rank test. And what I find that's of most interest to me, it shows that my N was 100. That's correct. I had 100 participants. I have a significance level of 0.981, which is very high, way above 0.05. And just my first thought is that the median of my group in the data set is going to be very similar, if not the same, as the hypothesized median. You can even see that it said up here, it told us to retain the null hypothesis because the p-value is so high. We also get some nice charts with our test, and I like this one the best, more so than the second one. So I think I would probably use this one if I was going to report this. In APA, we want to be very tight with our space. This table would take up a lot of room. So I would think here I would just mention in a sentence that this test was run for an N of 100 and the significance was 0.981. And then if I want to, I can show the breakdown of my group. This is showing that I had about maybe 36 participants who were a 1, which was normal weight, and then 40 who were 2.0, which was overweight. And up here we have a nice little detail where we see that the hypothesized median that we put in was 2.0, and then indeed we actually have a median in this group of 2.0. So the results are the same. There is no difference between the median of this group and the known mean that I assume was 2.0. I hope that this has been helpful to you. Bye for now.